In this video, we will learn how to use Google Flow Music step by step. So let's get started. First of all, type in the following address flowmusic.app and head over to its website. Now you need to click on sign up button and you can continue with Google. After sign in, you will get the following dashboard, and in the chat box, if you click the plus icon, you can add recording or you can upload audio, or you can also use image as a cover. Now if you scroll down, you will get the following explore section. Here you will get featured songs, playlists, videos and spaces by community of Flow Music. You can explore them, but this time we will create our own music. So let's get started. First of all, type in a prompt in the chat box. I will ask producer to create a catchy upbeat pop jingle for a video editor. So after typing the prompt, simply press enter and it will generate the music lyrics. And if you scroll down further, it will give you actual generated music, which is cool. It gave us 2 music files. We can preview them.
Catch the rhythm.
Another one. That's pretty cool, right? If you click on any specific music, you will get more details. Here you can remix the music by clicking remix, then start session. Now a new session has been started and we can ask producer to change the vocalist from female to male or whatever you want to. The remix version is now ready. Let's play it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Catch the rhythm.
Now, if you click the 3 dots, you can click on remix. You can use prompt and then click edit the lyrics. You can update the lyrics of the music. Then click done and then click generate. It will generate a new remix version.
Catch the rhythm.
Now, if you click on 3 dots again and click the remix button and click replace, you can replace specific section as well. You can describe the changes for the selected region, then click generate and it will generate a new file. Now our audio is ready, so we will download it. Click the 3 dots, then click download and choose your desired format such as WAV. Now our music is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.